These fucking things. How can there not be a cure after all these fucking years?
So that we got the beer hiccups, my friend. I apologize. I think go instructor.
She's filming this.
Hold
your Fuck you, Jamie.
It's time to go instructor.
I'm trying to hold my breath. Okay.
Oh, the dog just farted really bad. Oh my god, do you smell that?
Quickly.
Oh my god, the dog just farted.
You know what started it? It was a cigarette.
Hold on, do you smell it?
Weed will help. Oh.
There it goes. Come on, one time.
Feeling it. Feeling good. Feeling good. I don't mind it.
Exhale, exhale, exhale. Come on.
Breathe through them.
Wide stance, wide stance.
Wide stance. Breathe through them. Here we go. Okay.
Don't laugh.
They're not hurting as much. It's a good thing.
There it goes.
Okay. They're getting better. They're getting better. But if you take them when you stop.
Other side, other side.
Other side. We're good. Okay.
All right, take your step out. Here, no.
Step out.